up, guys? It's Gamer Warrior, and today we're starting a new series. It's on how to use the Apple Shortcuts app. And for episode 1, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the icon of apps. So first you want to download an app called Shortcuts. This is what the symbol looks like, this app here I'm dragging around. And once you download it, you just want to open it up. And then you will only see 4 of these boxes. Because I've been working on some other stuff I'm going to show on some videos. So in the top left, you will see that icon. Then if you go over right one time, another time, and one more time, there's a plus. If you click on that plus, it brings you this menu. And if you click on scripting in the right, it says open app. And then you click on open app, and where it's that blue writing that says choose, click on that and select the app you want to change the icon on. In my case, I'm doing 3dc.io, which is a 3D modeling app. So next to the name at the top, click the 3 dots. And I would recommend the name being like Open 3dc.io or whatever app you're doing. And click Add to Home Screen. And then make the name like the app name so you don't get mixed up. You could change the name, but you don't have to. So it gives you a little preview. And if you want to change that picture, just click on it next to the name. And you can choose file, choose photo, or take a picture. And if you want it to be like an emoji, just click cancel in the top left of that menu. Then on the details section next to the name, click on that and it will bring up this menu. Under color, I'm going to set it to this orange because that's what it is on the actual app. So then if you switch over to the other side, I don't know how to pronounce that, you can see all these symbols here. It's objects, people, and symbols. Under objects, I like this cube because it's 3D modeling and its cube is 3D. So then click done, add to home screen, and then we can rename it to the app. Like so. And then click on add in the top right. It says added to home screen. If you go on your home screen, you can see this app here, 3dc.io. And if I click on it, it opens up the 3dc.io. So if I wanted to put this in the correct category on my home screen, which is here, 3dc.io, this is the actual app. If I bring it all the way over here and go out, you can't see it under here where it is. So that's how you can change the icon of apps for free without going to any sketchy websites on Apple devices. Now that's it for episode 1. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!